Hello class, this is your fellow Mohsin Ali and today we are going to discuss the maze game assignment and my group member is Ramandeep Kaur. Context. In context we have introduction, map, user stories, video about the game, unit testing, conclusion and in the end we have references. In introduction, we use functionality for the lab 7 and 8 and hand-drawn map like we have the different location we will discuss in a further slide and commands that like move command, unequipped command, equipped command that we have used and polymorphism and interface. In this slide, we are going to discuss the look command. First of all, we have entered the player as player name is Mohsin. It will come as Mohsin and we use the look command where we are exactly on that place. And for north, to move the northeast, we use the northeast command. To move south, we have used move south. To move southeast, we use move southeast command, and to move northeast we are using the northeast or move east command respectively. Hand drawn map. We have four directions: north, south, east and west. And we have five shops: shop number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And we have the locations: Z Cinema, DXB Theatre, Dubai Shop and Ajman. We have to start from Z Cinema.
Thanks, Mohsin, for your contribution. This is Ramandeep, and I'm going to start with the user stories. As we have used the first command, which is look command, we use the look command to give the current position of the customer named Mohsin and the location of the Z Cinema, which is found in the middle of the West Point, and the exist found in the northwest and northeast. After that, we have used the move command. So as we know, the move command we used to move one person from the one location to the another location. So here we did the same. We gave the move command to the south direction. So the user went to the south side successfully by using the move command. After that, we have used this command in northeast side, so we used move northeast. So the user successfully moved to the northeast where he collected the food, drinks and other eatable things. After using the move command, we have used the list command. Usually we use to show the list of the items that we collected or equipped. So here we can see when we use the list command, the all items shown in the item list, which is equipped and non-equipped. The next command is drop command. The drop command is used to drop the item from the list. As you can see the list, where we gave the list command first to show all the items in the list, and after that we have used the drop handx. So when we use the handx command, we gave the handx command to then no item to drop. Then after that we enter drop handx again, the item dropped, which is handx. So we can see we dropped one item, which is handx. The next command we have used, that is equip command, which is normally we use to equip items from the collection or from the item list. So as we can see all equipped items, no item equipped on the screen. Then we gave the command to drop handx, then the drop handx item, one item dropped, and then we give the command to equip long spear. So the item equipped from the long spear. After the equip command, we have used the unequip command, which is used to unequip items from the collection of equipped items. As we can see the screen, the command given by the user, which is equip long spear, the item equipped long spear. The next command we have used, which is purchase command. So the purchase command is used to purchase item from the collection or the list. As you can see, the list is showing all items, then all equipped items, and then we use the unequip command to unequip the items from the long spear. So then we use the purchase command to purchase the item from the purchase list. The next command is sell. Sell command is used to sell the items in the maze game. So the user use the sell command to sold out the items from the maze game. Here is the most prominent command, which is maze status. The maze status command is used to check the status of the maze, actually where is it located at the moment. So as you can see, we use the maze status command to check whether the maze is located or not. So here we use the quit command. So as we know, the quit command is used to quit the game, where we can see the quit is a place where we normally end the things. So here we use the same command, quit, which is thanks for playing or take care or goodbye, by giving these small messages, and we hit the enter, hit the button of exit to went out from the game.
Here we have demonstrated our game. We have entered the player name as Mohsin. Look command is used for location of the current location. We are at Z Cinema. Move north command is used to move north, and move south command is used as move south or west, or east command will be used as respectively. If now we are at position at Dubai shopping in Dubai shop, we have now if we want to exit, we can exit east, west, south and north. Here to collect the item we use collect command, and the items are hand axe, lang space, great club, shield, small list, and etc. And now we are using the collect command for collecting the items. Collect hand axe command and collect long spare item and list command is used now. To get, we are using the equipped command for the equipping from the list, and unequipped command we are using to unequip the items. If we want to purchase the item, we are using the purchase command, as we use purchase hand X to purchase the hand X. And for the to sell any item, we are using sell command with a specific item. Like here we are using Sell hand X for to sold the item. Status command. I have just entered the status command. The status command is used for checking the current status or the current position. And go command we used from move from one place to another position or from one place to another place. Go west, we go now we are moving from current location to the west. And if we want to exit the game, we are using the quit command.
After using the all commands, at the end we have done unit testing, which shows that all the commands are working properly together and as a unit. So unit testing is a mandatory for all the coding to check whether all the commands are working properly or not. So here we come with the conclusion. As a team, we have planned to work together on this Java assessment, which help us to become familiar with a lot of more useful things related to the Java and coding and testing. And it has been a wonderful experience to work as a team, which help us to enhance our knowledge and cognitive skills by doing silly mistakes and by learning the things while we were executing our experiments. We have fixed our errors uh, by doing lots of practice, and at the end we came to the successful result, which we can say one individual in the group was looking to fix and other was looking to chipping away at the piece of the task during the time. So I would say it was a great experience to work on this Java assessment, and we have learned plenty of informative or you can say, yeah, useful things which we will use in our future. Definitely it will help us in effective manner. Here is a list of references which we have used for our assessment. At the end, I would like to say thanks for watching our video presentation. A huge thanks from Mohsin and from Raman. Thank you.